Welcome to Meme Coin Codex, powered by Ranga Technologies. If you want to boost your meme coin's visibility and reach new heights, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore Pump.fun, a powerful platform designed to promote meme coins through innovative tools and community engagement features. Whether you're a developer or a project promoter, this guide will show you how to leverage Pump.fun's features to increase your coin's exposure and attract new investors. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tutorials. Step 1. What is Pump.fun? Pump.fun is a community-driven platform designed to help meme coin projects gain visibility by connecting developers with investors through social promotions, token tracking, and marketing campaigns. It focuses on 1. Social boosting. Amplify your presence on platforms like Twitter and Discord. 2. Token listings. Get featured on the site's trending and upcoming coins sections. 3. Community engagement. Host giveaways, contests, and other events. Step 2. Creating an account on Pump.fun. To get started, you'll need to create an account on Pump.fun. 1. Visit the official website. Head over to Pump.fun. 2. Sign up. Use your email or connect your Web3 wallet like MetaMask. 3. Complete your profile. Add a project description, links, and a logo to make your listing stand out. Pro tip: a polished profile increases the chances of getting featured on the homepage. Step 3. Listing your meme coin. After creating an account, it's time to list your token. 1. Token details. Enter essential details like coin name, symbol, contract address. Double-check this for accuracy. 2. Description and utilities. Highlight what makes your coin unique. 3. Social links. Add links to your Twitter, Telegram, and Discord communities. Tip: be honest and transparent to build community trust. Step 4. Launching a promotion campaign. Pump.fun's marketing tools can supercharge your visibility. 1. Sponsored ads. Feature your coin on the site's trending section. 2. Social contests. Create engagement campaigns like Best Meme Contest or Retweet giveaways. 3. Shill campaigns. Incentivize your community to promote your coin on social media. Pro tip: combine multiple campaigns for maximum reach. Step 5. Tracking analytics and performance. Stay on top of your campaign with Pump.fun's analytics tools. 1. Traffic insights. See how many visitors your project page receives. 2. Social metrics. Track engagement from Twitter and other platforms. 3. Community growth. Monitor follower counts and Telegram activity. Insight: use data-driven decisions to optimize future campaigns. Step 6. Engaging your community. A strong community is your project's lifeline. Here's how Pump.fun can help. 1. Telegram bots. Use built-in bots for announcements and moderation. 2. Airdrops and rewards. Host airdrop events to reward loyal supporters. 3. Social challenges. Run viral challenges that encourage creativity and sharing. Pro tip: regularly interact with your community to build trust and keep engagement high. Step 7. Staying secure and scalable security tips for Pump.fun users. 1. Smart contract audits. Ensure your contract is secure before listing. 2. Liquidity locking. Use liquidity lockers to build investor confidence. 3. Transparent roadmap. Share your project's future goals to keep the community engaged. Tip: the more transparent and secure your project appears, the more investors will trust you. And that's how you can use Pump.fun to boost your meme coin's visibility. With its powerful features and marketing tools, you can take your project to the next level. If you're serious about promoting your token, start building your campaign today. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe, and share this video with other crypto enthusiasts. Join our Telegram and Discord for more expert tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching Meme Coin Codex, powered by Ranga Technologies. See you in the next video.